Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add a signature to Excel, step by step. Let's get started. First, we will look at adding a signature line that someone can click to sign. Open your Excel workbook, then click once in the exact cell where you want the signature line to appear, so you know the line will land in the right spot on the sheet. Now go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Insert ribbon, look for the Text section, then click Add a Signature Line, and you should see a small window appear in the middle of your screen. In this window, fill in the requested information for the person who will sign. Type the suggested signer name, their title, their email address, and any instructions for the signer, such as please sign after reviewing all values so they understand what they are agreeing to. From there, choose whether to show the signing date by ticking or unticking the box in that same window. Showing the date lets you see exactly when the signature was applied, which many companies require for records. Once the details look right, click OK. A signature line now appears in the cell you selected, showing the signer name and a place for the signature so you can clearly see where the signer needs to click later. Next up, to actually sign that signature line, move your mouse over the line, right-click directly on it, and select Sign from the small menu that appears. This opens a signing window linked to that specific signature line. In the Sign window, choose how you want to sign. You can type your name, use the inking feature to draw your signature if you have a touchscreen or pen, or select an image of your handwritten signature so you can match how you usually sign on paper. After choosing your signature style, click Sign. The signature line now shows your name and, if selected earlier, the signing date, and you will see a small signature icon indicating that this part of the workbook has been signed. Now let us look at the second method, using a picture of your handwritten signature. First, save your signature as an image file on your computer, ideally as a PNG file, since that format usually keeps the background transparent and looks cleaner on top of the worksheet cells. With that image ready, open your Excel file where you want to place this visual signature. This can be the same workbook as before or a completely different one, and the image will behave like a normal picture inside the sheet. From there, go to Insert at the top, then click Pictures. In the menu that appears, choose the location of your image, select your signature picture from your folders, then Confirm, and Excel will place it on the sheet so you can see it right away. After it appears, resize and position it where you want it. Drag the corners of the image to make it larger or smaller. Then drag the middle of the image to move it into the exact place where a real signature would normally go on the form. At this point, remember that this is only a visual signature. It looks like a real signature, but it does not include any digital authentication, so Excel treats it like a regular picture that anyone can move or delete without affecting file security. Next up is the third method, adding an invisible digital signature to the entire workbook. Go to the File menu, click Info, then choose Protect Workbook, and select Add a Digital Signature, then click Sign in the window that appears. You need a valid digital certificate to use this method, for example from your organization or a trusted provider, and Excel uses that certificate to confirm who signed the file behind the scenes without showing a signature image on the worksheet itself. After signing, the workbook becomes read-only to help prevent changes to the signed content. If someone edits the workbook after that, Excel will remove or invalidate the digital signature so you can tell that something was changed after signing. You have now seen how to add a visible signature line, insert a picture of your handwritten signature, and apply an invisible digital signature in Excel. If this helped you out, a quick thumbs up really helps, and if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe. It truly means a lot to us, and we are thankful for every single one. Thanks so much for watching.